Hi guys, welcome back to our channel App Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can remove drive storage in Steam. So guys, if you're full of storage and you want to remove some of your drive storage, but you don't know how to do so, then this video is for you. So guys, the first step is to just open your Steam app, and once you're there, just look at your library and hover over it till you find Home, Collections and Downloads. Tap on downloads, and right at the top you can find this gear icon. Just go ahead and tap here and you're there. So there are multiple ways of removing drive storage. You can also try it by clearing your downloaded cache. Now right below downloads over here you can find storage. Now you can see all the storage that your Steam has taken up, and you can find maybe other drives too if you have them. There's also an option to add a drive. Just go ahead and tap on your local drive and tap on add drive, and you can add a new drive to your storage. As you can see, I only have my computer's drive, so I cannot remove it since this is the drive I only have. But if you have a different drive, you can just tap on remove and remove them. So guys, it's really easy. I hope this video was helpful for you. That's how you remove drive storage in Steam. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.